This is 3-note, 3-string arpeggios. We're going to do these in the key of G. Starting off with the 3rd finger on the 3rd fret, 6th string. Moving on to the 2nd finger, 2nd fret, 5th string, and the open D. So in a G, that's G the root, B the 3rd, and D the 5th. Arpeggios, 3 notes split up. I'm playing 2 down and 1 up with the right hand. So I'm all ready for the next one, which is going to be A minor. A minor like this. So let's go back to G. A minor. G, A minor. The next one will be B minor, so you just take the A minor shape up 2 frets. So you've got A minor to B minor. Let's do all 3 together. The G, A minor, B minor. And we're going to change the strings now to the 5th, 4th and 3rd string to play the C. Then the same shape 2 frets higher, different fingers for D. So C, D. Have we forgotten all the other shapes? Let's play it from G. A minor, B minor, C, and D. Then moving on to E minor. Next set of strings are 4th, 3rd and 2nd. And then F sharp diminished. And finally G again. So that's from E minor, F sharp diminished, it's probably new for most of you, and G. Let's play them all from the bottom. And you can go backwards as well. We'll leave it there for this lesson and carry on with some more ideas in the next one. See you then.